know of corn? Yes, this is corn. But did you know the corn here has lots of benefits and uses? Did you know? Yes, this is the corn here, otherwise called corn sill. So corn sill is great for bladder, kidney, and prostate issues. It can expel kidney stones, bladder stones, and so much more. Corn sill is packed with potassium. It has vitamins C and K. It also has natural steroids. It can prevent bedwetting and also aid in relaxation and sleep. Did you know? Share in the comment section if you've drank corn sill before. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.